Yo, what's going on, you guys? Today I'm gonna start a new series called Beginner Shopify Challenge. In this series, basically, I'm gonna start a new store for the first time. I've never used Shopify before, and basically scale it up, make money from it, find a niche, do the advertisement, and basically learn as I go. And so you guys can see the process and see what difficulties a beginner faces, and possibly start your own store. So if you guys want to follow along and do your own, like there's a 14 days free trial. You don't have to put money up front, so you can start with me, and basically we can all go together. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. And I might cut in the middle. That's because I'm watching a video. I'm not gonna be taking a course. I'm actually just watching a full tutorial video, which I'll link down below if you guys are interested. And I'm just gonna be following along. So yeah, if I cut between, that's because I'm watching the video and then doing what he says. So let's jump right into it. So first you gotta register, obviously. So okay, the store name. So I already have my niche picked out, and I have my products and the influencers picked out too. So that's pretty helpful. So the store name would be, to be sure, okay, yeah, my bad. So yep, we got it here. Create your store. Alright. Actually, this is just a survey, so we're gonna skip that. Street address. Moving on to the second step. Alright, so we got our Shopify store ready, and we have a 14 days free trial. Now for the second step, we gotta select a theme. So let's go to customize themes, customize, and I'm gonna be using, wait a minute, where's the themes, explore free themes, yeah. And then we're gonna be using Brooklyn. Alright, so now we can customize theme. So let's jump right into it. Alright, so now that we got our theme here, we're gonna go to our products, actually collection list. So we're gonna remove that section. Collection list, remove content, and remove content. We are gonna go back, go to featured collection, rename it to our products, and we're gonna put it as grid. Alright, so I removed everything except for our products and hero banner, and our newsletter, because that's all we need. So let's jump on to the next step, which is finding an image for the background. Alright, so we're gonna search for wolf since we're in the wolf niche, and go to tools, label for reuse, and so this looks like a nice picture. Alright, so here are the two pictures I've decided to go with, and let's see which one looks better. I'm gonna go here. Alright, so go to slideshow, slide, select image, this one. That looks pretty clean. And select her, and go for, wait a minute, zero opacity. We're gonna remove this header, subheader, and actually remove this too, and just put shop now. Actually, we can put northern. Oops. Shop now. Products. All products. Okay, now that we got that out of the way, we're gonna save it. And actually go to header. And we're gonna say free shipping to the USA today only. Save it. Alright, so now we're gonna go to the general settings. Color, white looks nice. You can try a black. Text, black. And it's not updating for some reason, so we're just gonna keep it at white. Card page, put it to page. So it's better on mobile phone. Okay. Alright, so now we're done. We have our page and we have our products, newsletter. We're done over here. Actually, let's go to typography. See what other fonts they have. We have old standard right now, so alright, so now we got it, the old standard over here. Actually, old standard. Okay, so now our page is set up. Now let's move on to the second step. Alright, so my mic went on mute at the end, so I'm just gonna quickly recap what I did. I basically removed all the headers, and I just put our products and newsletters, and I put a background image and added this header. And that's about it. That's how my website looks, as you guys can see. So now we're gonna go ahead and add some apps. So you do have to sign up again, basically for the Shopify apps, which was really confusing to me, but it's all good. So now that we have a Shopify app account, we can get these apps for free. So the first app I'm gonna get is Oberlo, which allows you to import products from AliExpress to your own store, and also it allows you to fulfill orders in like one click. So install app. Okay, we're also gonna add the extension, which is Oberlo extension. Okay, add to Chrome, add extension. Alright, so the second app we're gonna add is an upsell app. So you can search up upsell. So an upsell apps allows you to recommend other products to people. So let's say if someone's buying one of your product, they can bundle it with another one, and basically you can make more money. But as you guys can see, all of these are paid, so I'm gonna be using a free app that's called personalize. What was it? Personalize. It's basically personalized recommendation, and all it does is recommendation. I spelled personalized wrong, so just gonna personalize recommendations. It's this app right here. Just go ahead and add it. I already did. Now this app basically takes 4% of the extra sales that it generates, which is not bad considering you're not paying upfront. And once you start making money, you can probably pay for a monthly one and get more money that way. So now we're gonna add another app. Visit App Store. Alright, now in order to build up social proof, we're gonna install this app called SalesPop, which basically puts notifications on your website that this guy bought it from America, this guy bought it from China, whatever, so people can trust your website more. So we're gonna install that app too. And just gonna click this. Alright, so those are the 3 apps we need for now. I'm gonna be using them after I add all my products, and this is where I'm gonna be ending my day 1 of the Shopify challenge. Tomorrow I'm gonna be back doing all the settings and doing all the hard work and the boring part. And yeah, so leave a like if you guys enjoyed this episode, and leave a comment down below if you guys are gonna try it out for yourself or you found value in this video. And yeah guys, I'm out. Peace.